Stocks finishing the day little change, but investors have results from Google to pour over. And Bank of America earnings are coming out tomorrow morning. Let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the New York Stock Exchange for all the latest news.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yes, stocks starting out the day a little bit lower, but kind of perking up here in the afternoon session as the House approving that spending bill that would avoid a government shutdown. The S&P and the Dow ending the day just slightly higher. Now, we started out lower on news that weekly jobless claims rose 27%. That was a little bit more than expected. And taking a look at one of the winners on the day, Supervalu, the biggest gainer in the S&P with a whopping almost 17% gain. That was after earnings topped analyst estimates. That led a rally in consumer staples shares. Also, financials on the losing end, though, that was after Goldman Sachs today cut their rating on financial shares. And, of course, lots of concerns about Greece's debt situation resurfacing as they may need to renegotiate that debt. So a few concerns there as well.
Now, Deborah, we've been talking about this below average volume recently in the stock market, and it just continues. What's going on?
This is something that has been plaguing the market for some time. And according to Bloomberg economist Mike McDonough, he says that the S&P hit its lowest average 90-day trading volume since the end of 1999. And he says with the market generally up on low volume, he says that should be reason for concern, and it could cause the market to move lower. So volume certainly a concern here. And, of course, all eyes on Google here. Of course, the company reporting their earnings after the closing bell. And you can see that the stock down almost 5%. Earnings falling short of estimates after spending more on salaries and also stepping up competition with Facebook and Apple. Of course, this is our first earnings report since co-founder Larry Page returned to the CEO spot. That's it from here, Pimm. Back to you.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.